The Eastern Strategic Link project involves laying over 6 kilometres of trunk main from Tivoli on the east side of the city to Shanakeel Reservoir on the west side of the city. This project is extremely important because it provides resilience and a security of supply for Cork businesses and homes. The Lower Glanmire Road is the main artery in and out of the city, so all works have to be completed during the night time between the hours of 10 p.m. and 6 a.m.
At 10 p.m, once the road is closed, our convoy of machines, plant and materials leaves the yard in Tivoli docks and comes here to the Lower Glanmire Road. We unload the machines, and our first operation would be to break the tar on the road. The excavations required are fairly significant. In order to put in this pipe, we have to dig an excavation approximately 2 metres deep. We insert our trench box, we put in our pipes. We tar that by approximately 5 a.m. and remove all plant off the road, which returns to the Tivoli docks. And by 6 a.m. we reopen the road to all traffic for normal daytime hours.
This particular section that we're working on here at this time is the final 200 metres of that 1.1 kilometre stretch, and it's particularly troublesome because of how narrow the road is and how many services are in it. The contractors made very good progress to date. Irish Water are installing this pipeline to provide a safe and secure water supply for the city of Cork, joining the existing infrastructure in Cork County through the city to the county infrastructure on the other side, for the benefit of the people who live in Cork and for all the businesses and the commercial premises and industry. It will provide a 21st century solution for water supply for the city of Cork.